When I had signed this film, a lot of people said, why are you doing this movie? It's not going to work. Like I call her the OG. And I tell Vidya also that she's the one who made this song iconic because of the way she performed.
Yeah.
And I used to wonder, I said, hey, kash ye gana mujhe mil gaya hota na, to, I would have loved to dance on this song. In Anjam, we're either beating each other up, all the time. And in this one, we're either running away, gande kapde, we're like dirty, and we are like in all kinds of bad situations, So I was just talking to him, I said, Shahrukh, we need to do a movie where we are like saaf suthra, dressed beautiful, looking pretty, and doing a romantic scene together. What is this? We're always running. And Anil Kapoor gets very angry with her. She says, no, but I just love you. This one says it. Karthik, in that where he becomes that.
Yes.
चोली पे हो गया, अभी घाघरा पे गाना बनाते
तो पूरा combination complete हो गया, घाघरा and चोली.
And then I did Dupatta Mera also for Fame Game.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं गायत्री निर्मल और आज की हमारी जो गेस्ट है उनकी महज एक मुस्कुराहट भर से बड़ा पर्दा जगमगा उठता है. प्लीज वेलकम द मोस्ट ग्रेसफुल, ब्यूटीफुल एंड टैलेंटेड माधुरी दीक्षित मैम. Welcome to Pinkvilla, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
The pleasure is all ours, ma'am. So, Bhool Bhulaiya is creating wonders, and how does it feel to get so much of love and appreciation from the audience?
It's always wonderful. That's what we work for as artists.
Yeah.
We want to be recognized. We want to not recognized as in just recognized, but for the work we do. And I think Bhool Bhulaiya 3 has got like amazing fans for this film, and I'm very thankful, very grateful.
जब हमने ट्रेलर देखा था, सो आई वेंट टू जयपुर फॉर द ट्रेलर लॉन्च व्हेन इट हैपेंड. बहुत ही बड़े स्केल पर हुआ था. तो जब हमने ट्रेलर देखा, हमें ऐसा लगा कि आप और विद्या मैम दोनों ही मौंजुलिका होंगी. पर फिल्म देखने के बाद जो ट्विस्ट आया है
जी,
वो काबिले तारीफ है. तो व्हाट कन्विंस्ड यू टू टेक दिस अप?
Well, first of all, I had a chance meeting with Anis Bhai once, and I'd seen Bhool Bhulaiya 1 and 2.
Yeah.
तो मैंने अनीस जी से कहा था, बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे आपकी फ्रेंचाइज, आपने जो डायरेक्ट की बहुत अच्छा लगा ये वो सब. और उसके बाद it was just a conversation we had. And then suddenly we got a call from him, and he said, as there's something I would like to run by you and you tell me what you think. अरे मोटी मोटी एक ऐसे उन्होंने कहानी सुनाई, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, I'll hear it. Let me hear it in details. And so he came home and he gave me a narration, and I liked my role. I liked what I was doing and what I'm supposed to do in the film. I loved the climax of the movie, and I thought it'll be something good for me to do because I've never played a ghost before, and this was a great chance for me to do that. And also I like the script, the way my character enters at the interval point, just before interval, and then the story actually takes off, like the actual story of what's happening. And I thought he's a good director, very able. And then there was Vidya in the film, there was Karthik and Tripti, and all the rest of the star cast is fabulous. So I decided to do it.
The other thing that we all were really looking forward to was Mere Dholna between you and Vidya ma'am. The dance, it was a visual spectacle. So we have seen one thing कि आपके बहुत सारे ऐसे, you are an amazing dancer and graceful. हमें पता है आपने बहुत सारे dances, duet dance sequences आपके throughout career में दिया है. Be it लज्जा, be it देवदास, even दिल तो पागल है for that matter.
Yes.
So इसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा आपके दिल के करीब कौन सा डांस सीक्वेंस है, and which one was a little tricky for you to get it?
I think all of them were good. I don't think anything was tricky. The only tricky thing with Devdas was the trolley shots, because there were a lot of trolley shots. In this, there's one in Bhool Bhulaiya 3. But in that, there was a lot of trolley shots. So the trolley's moving, she's coming in, she's going out, I'm coming in, I'm going out. So there was a lot of, coming in and going out and trying to synchronize everything properly. So that was the most difficult thing about the Devdas song, Dola Re Dola. But in this, I think we had one trolley shot which was difficult. We rehearsed for it quite a bit, and then we took the shot, which came out very beautifully. But other than that, I think in Bhool Bhulaiya 3, what was interesting to me in the dance was that I used to love the song.
Yeah.
And I had seen the first Bulbulaiya, Vidya, like I call her the OG. And I tell Vidya also that she's the one who made this song iconic
Yeah.
because of the way she performed
Yes.
and the way she acted and all that.
Amazing.
And then, of course, in part 2, it was used again. And I used to wonder, I said, "Hey, kash ye gana mujhe mil gaya hota na, to, I would have loved to dance on this song." I used to just think like that. And then it actually happened with Bulbulaiya 3. And what I had found very good about this song is that we were both given like separate dance styles to do. She was doing Bharatnatyam and I was doing Kathak. So it was like a jugalbandi between the two of them. And I thought it came off very well.
It did. It did. So evidently franchisee films are working. Audience को पसंद आ रही है. They are accepting it. You've also done Total Dhamal. So
Yes.
anything on that front? Because recently Ajay sir confirmed to us that they are making Dhamal 4.
But I say, I cannot say anything until it actually happens. And so I will reserve my comment on that. But you were talking about franchise
Yes.
films. And I think it works because when there's a franchise, they know what kind of film they're going to go into, like what genre it is, and what to expect from the movie because of the past stories.
Yeah.
So a lot of people thought maybe it's a continuation of the old, but this is a standalone film. It's like the next story might be, if he makes it, might be a different story altogether, but about the same kind of threshold or background. And so I think that's why, franchise works, because people know what to expect when they walk into the theatre.
True, that's true. So what next are you doing, ma'am, like after this?
Well, there's something exciting coming up, but I cannot talk about it right now because we want a formal announcement first before I can say anything. But it's really, really exciting for me. It's a very different kind of a role.
Really looking forward to that.
Thank you.
Any reality shows that you are going to host?
Well, not right now. We are not looking at anything right now.
So I would like to play a really fun and interesting game with you where I will take you down the memory lane. And it's all of your films. I'll show you pictures and you've got to give me the backstory to it.
Oh God. Games जो होते हैं ना dangerous होते हैं बहुत.
नहीं, these are very light-hearted games. So this one.
Oh yeah, this is Devdas and the iconic showdown scene between me and Ash, and we had so much fun shooting for it because it was a very emotional scene. And two different characters coming together. Contrasting characters. Where she has left what she was doing and she comes in all her regal finery. And she's already, like a sannyasi kind of thing. And I think it was a beautiful scene. We enjoyed doing it.
One scene can emote so much. Like just in this one scene, there's so much that we are giving away.
Yes. Yeah. And she's a Jogan, she was like Meera.
Yeah. Okay, this is the next image with Shah Rukh Khan sir.
This is Koila.
Yeah.
And this is the chase scene where the goons are chasing us and we were running away. And I remember when we were doing this scene, we had done Anjam before this.
Okay.
And then the next film was Koila with Shah Rukh. And it was like, in Anjam, we're either beating each other up, all the time. And in this one, we're either running away, gande kapade, we're like dirty, and we are like in all kinds of bad situations, So I was just talking to him, I said, Shah Rukh, we need to do a movie where we are like saaf suthra, dressed beautiful, looking pretty, and doing a romantic scene together. What is this? We're always running. And then what happened was Dil To Pagal Hai after that.
Yeah. Okay, this one.
Oh yeah, my God. This is Pukar. And I was playing Anjali in Pukar, and this is when she becomes so jealous that she goes all out and she behaves so badly in the scene. And Anil Kapoor gets very angry with her. And she says, no, but I just love you.
Yeah.
And she's jealous, and it's a bit of jealousy.
That I think very rarely you've played. Back then, that was, I think it was the first of the time where you played such a grey shaded character.
Yes.
Yeah. This one is iconic.
I mean, everybody knows this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Ek Do Teen, which is played even now. I'm very fortunate to have had that song. Even today, people are so enthusiastic about this song.
Like every club or any party you go, this song has to be there.
Yes.
So any story?
Every Ganpati.
Yeah,
the
even
song gets
Ganpati.
played. Yes.
Any story behind this outfit? Because even now, if people have to recreate a Madhuri Dixit, they go for this outfit or the Hum Aapke Hai Kaun outfit, the blue one.
Yeah. This was created by this thing.
It's okay.
Anyway,
It's okay.
it was see, it's 30, how many? 36 years
Many
back.
years back now.
Leena Daruji had made this, and they wanted it to look cutesy, and that's why they gave it those little, you know,
The
panels like that on the skirt, and it was like a one-sided with a ponytail, because all the movements were like this. So they thought the little ponytail will look very nice with this outfit. And I remember the first time I went on stage and we started shooting for this song. It was amazing because it created a stage. Of course, it was a set, but we had rehearsed for this song, and I remember I was so tired by the end of the day. We shot all day, all night, and at 6:30 in the morning, the next morning, I went to Chandraji and I said, Chandraji, I don't think I can shoot anymore. I'm tired. You can't take my clothes up. He said, okay, no close up. We'll take a long shot. So, you know, those 4 changes that I'm walking on like a ramp walk.
Yes.
Those were done between 6:30 and 10:30 that morning. And we packed up at 10:30 in the morning. So we shot all day, all night, 10:30 in the morning we packed up.
Oh,
And the song was done.
the song was done, and
Yeah, but the song was shot over a few days before that.
it's a classic.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one,
This is Sajan.
Sajan.
What a beautiful
Beautiful
songs
film.
in that
What
movie.
songs?
And I remember when I had signed this film, a lot of people said, why are you doing this movie? It's not going to work. Sanjay Dutt is a, you know, action star. और उसको ऐसे दिखा दिया है, like a handicapped person. How can this happen? This is not going to work. But once the film was made, and you know, it created history after that.
Created history. The songs, oh my God.
The songs were beautiful. The love story was very nice.
Very different.
Very different. It was very, very well received, and it did very well. And of course, the songs are evergreen.
Songs are
today.
evergreen. This one.
Oh yes, Ghar More Pardesiya.
Yeah.
Kalank. I remember the shoot of this. What sets in the movie, and it was
Beautiful sets,
amazing the way they
yeah.
shot this song. It was beautiful.
Beautiful. This one.
I really loved doing this song, Ghagra. It was so much fun working with Ranbir Kapoor, and he's such a naughty person, but you never know. He's very quiet,
Yeah.
and but I really had fun doing this song because first of all, the song was fab.
Song was fab.
Yes, and the way it was picturized, and it was amazing. And it
Right.
comes at a point in the movie where it took everybody by surprise, and it was
Yes.
like, oh my God, what's going on?
And who could
it
have
was-
thought that an entire song on Ghagra,
Ghagra.
and the picturization, like you said, like एक घाघरा निकल रहा है, फिर दूसरा निकल रहा है.
And they said, चोली पे हो गया, अभी घाघरा पे गाना बनाते.
तो पूरा combination complete हो गया घाघरा and चोली.
And then I did Dupatta Mera also for Fame Game.
Yes.
So Dupatta bhi
Dupatta
ho
भी
gaya.
हो गया. So I had this very fun quiz type thing where
Quiz
I
मत करो
will
मुझे.
I will say everything. You just have to. So there are dialogues from Bhool Bhulaiya and Bhool Bhulaiya 3. So I will tell the dialogue. You just have to say which film it is from.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first dialogue is बेवकूफ़ है दुनिया जो भूतों से डरती है, इन भूतियों का तो फायदा उठाना चाहिए. This is said by Akshay Kumar or Kartik Aaryan.
Oh my God. Is it Kartik Aaryan in Bhool Bhulaiya 3?
Yes. Kartik Aaryan. जानू क्या कह रहे थे आप? मेरे संगे मरमर की मूर्ति बनानी है.
This one says it. Kartik.
Kartik.
In that where he becomes that.
Yes. Right. A goti goti goti.
Hey, this must be from the original.
Yeah.
The first one.
अक्षय कुमार. पागल खाना खोल रखा है तुम लोगों ने.
One.
राइट. अरे एक नंबर की डायन है वो, भूतनी चुड़ैल वैम्पायर खून देखते ही आ जाती है.
This is Kartik.
कार्तिक. यस. क्या हुआ खत्म नहीं हुआ क्या, नायग्रा फॉल है.
This I'm confused. Original?
यस. यस. इतना सुसु लाते कहाँ से हो तुम.
ये भी original ही होगा.
ओरिजिनल. यस. ओ भाभी आपके गले में क्या है.
इसमें था. Was it the original? नहीं, इसमें था. Oh,
इसमें था.
maybe I was not in the scene, so I don't remember.
The last one, very easy to get. Manju, I am coming for you.
I obviously Karthik saying that.
Okay. That was it, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for talking to us.
Thank you
We
so
had
much.
great fun. And we really are looking forward to whatever you do next.
Thank you so
much for talking
Thank
to
you.
us.
Nice talking to you too. Hi, this is Madhuri Dixit, and you're watching me on Pink Villa.